What if AI could turn engineering drawing PDFs into structured data in just a few seconds? No manual typing, no copy paste. Hi everyone, today I'll show you our AI PDF drawing extractor. This isn't just another PDF reader, it understands engineering drawings and extracts exactly the information your business needs. Simply drag and drop one or more drawing PDFs. Select a drawing and you instantly get a preview before processing. On the right is the AI configuration. I'm using OpenAI GPT 5.5, but you're not limited to OpenAI. You can connect to other AI providers or even run local AI models on your own workstation or server for complete data privacy. Next, define the JSON output. For example, this is what I want to extract. You can modify it as your requirements. The schema is automatically saved, so you only configure it once. Now click Analyze. The application extracts text from the drawing, sends it to the AI together with the JSON schema, and within seconds, you get clean structured JSON ready for ERP, PDM, databases, or any downstream workflow. But what if we need information that isn't written as text? Let's say we want the number of holes in the drawing. I'll add a new field, know of holes. Text extraction alone can't understand geometry, so we'll enable vision mode. The AI now analyzes the drawing image itself, allowing it to understand features like holes, cutouts, slots, and other geometry. It does cost more API credits than text only mode, but it's incredibly powerful when geometric understanding is required. That's it. Drag, drop, analyze, and let AI handle the repetitive work. If you'd like to integrate this into your engineering workflow, get in touch. Thanks for watching.